Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and helpful video to any of you having problems with the heater on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses, relays for the heater are located on that GMC Sierra, we'll share everything that you need to check, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. In addition, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, for the heater, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this GMC Sierra right here. What we guys need to do today, we're working 3 different fuse boxes. By the way, you have many hidden fuse boxes. We'll demonstrate to check the video on our to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location and diagram on GMC Sierra. Check it out, very important video. First we need to open the driver door. Here on the side of the dash you have guys that cover, you see, pried open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So what do we guys need to check? Let's zoom in a little bit. The fuses that we need to check, will be working by the way in 3 fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. The first one is known as fuse number 22. You see, that's a micro 3 blade fuse. That's a double fuse, really hard to find, so we recommend to always keep a spare in your vehicle. That fuse right here. Then you need to check guys fuse number 26, which is another micro 3 blade fuse right there. Next, what you guys need to do, you need to open the passenger door. Exactly the same thing needs to be done. Open the cover here. Underneath you have a similar fuse box, a little bit different but very close in appearance. Here guys, what we need to check, specifically fuse number 43. This 40M fuse, very important fuse guys, that's one of the main fuses. Next, open the hood. When you guys open the hood here, you may have some differences depending on which ear, okay, you have. So if you have, okay, you see the fuse box is right here on the driver's side. Open that cover. See on the right side of the brake fluid reservoir. Once you open the cover, okay, you have that fuse box for year 2018. That's year 2018 here. We will need to check guys fuse number 52 now specifically, and 52 guys, that's where it gets okay quite confusing here. 52 will be that fuse that we have right here. That fuse will need to be checked, that little bitty 10M fuse. Then you need to locate fuse number 55, and they're spread all around the fuse box guys, so it's really hard okay to find okay any correlation on where these fuses will be. For instance, okay, this that we checked is 52, but that's relay number 70. So the next thing that we need to check is we need to locate that fuse 55, which is the double micro 3 blade fuse right here. The next one will be fuse number 56 guys, and 56 will be that double micro 3 blade fuse there. Now, also you will need to check relay 67. We're talking about that square relay. But if you guys, excuse me, now, if you have, okay, 2014, 15, 16, and 17 models, that's where things will differ a little bit. First, we still need to check that fuse number 52, which will be the same location like the other one. Next, we will need to check fuse number, instead of 55, it's actually fuse number 56 here in that case, guys. And fuse number 56 will be the same location of the fuse, and 57. The relay is the same location, but it's no longer named 68. That same relay right here. So those are the main fuses, guys, that you will need to check and relays on your GMC Sierra. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend, guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.